Because there are so many duct cleaning scams on Facebook, we felt it was necessary to make a video addressing these issues and what to look out for on Facebook. I'm going to show you a post on Facebook that we found, and I'm going to go through the details of what to look out for. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at their profile and see that they have 9 friends. Even if you don't do social media, you should have more than 9 friends on Facebook. And I also have 0 mutual friends with this person who's in my town, apparently. Something else to look out for is on their actual post, do they have a business name, a local phone number, or an email address? Most of these posts just have what they do. They don't have any company information. And another trigger word is kindly. If they say kindly DM me, obviously you know no one in your neighborhood's ever said kindly DM me on Facebook, so that's an automatic red flag. One more thing to look out for is if on the post they're asking for work. Even if we're not busy and we need work, when we go on the post, we don't straight up ask for it. We say it in a roundabout way. These people come on here and just say, oh, we really need work, please give us a job, we'll give you a 50% discount. Those are just a few of the details to look out for when looking at posts on Facebook and trying to determine what's real and what's not.